Hey friends, it's Julie, your wellness and toxin-free living coach, here to help you detox your life, one small empowered step at a time. Today we're diving into a topic that has the power to shift how you look at everything you put on, in, or around your body. So let's talk about toxic load. What is it, why it matters, and what you can do starting today to lighten that load for good. Now, what exactly is toxic load? Now, I've talked about this in other videos, so briefly, toxic load is the collective burden your body carries from the chemicals and toxins you're exposed to over time. From things like cleaning products, personal care items, processed foods, even the air we breathe. Now, our bodies are amazing and they're designed to detox naturally. But when we're constantly bombarded with synthetic chemicals, preservatives, pesticides, and artificial fragrances, it becomes overwhelming for our liver, kidneys, skin, and lungs to keep up with it. So, in today's world, the average person is exposed to hundreds of toxins daily, even before they leave their house. Now, these toxins can quietly affect energy levels, immune function, hormone balance, sleep, and even our mood. Now, over time, they can contribute to chronic inflammation and long term health issues. But here's the good news. We can absolutely reduce our toxic load through simple, consistent swaps and healthy habits. One of the most empowering tools that I've used on my journey, and this is no surprise, it's essential oils. Why? Because they're powerful, natural, and versatile. And here are a few ways to start incorporating them. So let's start with lemon oil. Now, you can add a drop of lemon to your morning glass of water, which will support a gentle daily detox and support lymphatic function. And next, we have Zendocrine, that is the detoxification blend. And this is amazing for supporting your body's natural detox pathways. Now, use 1 to 2 drops in a veggie cap or diffuse it during your morning routine. Lastly is Purify, the cleansing blend. It's a clean air champion. Add 3 to 4 drops to a diffuser to reduce synthetic fragrances in your space. And guess what? By swapping out the synthetic cleaners and air fresheners for essential oil-based solutions, you're taking massive action toward lowering your toxic load. So here are a few back-to-basics habits to help lower your exposure. Swap out plastic for glass or stainless steel. Now, I've talked about this before. You don't have to throw everything out. Just start with those items that you use the most. Swap out your plastic water bottle for a stainless steel or glass one. And if it has a plastic straw, get the pack of stainless steel straws to replace it. On your food containers, take the size that you use the most and purchase a glass food storage container to replace it, or use a mason jar that you may have on hand. Now, choose fragrance-free and dye-free laundry products. Now, this can be tricky because sometimes the product label doesn't reflect what ingredients the product contains. So read the ingredients. Now, I have replaced my dryer sheets with wool dryer balls and use essential oils to give my laundry load a beautiful non-toxic scent. I did a video on this and I'll link it at the end. Make your own DIY all-purpose cleaner with water, vinegar, and essential oils. And I just did a video on my top 5 household cleaners. And I'll link this video and my DIY playlist in the description. I think you'll find some great options there. So eat more whole foods and avoid overly processed snacks. The better the food we put in our bodies, the better our bodies will function and heal. After reading a few metabolic health books and learning how food affects our metabolic health, this has been a driver for me to get rid of processed foods, or at the very least, start eliminating sugar. Now, take 10 minutes outside each day to breathe in fresh air and ground yourself. This helps with your intention to take care of yourself. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about making small, consistent changes that add up to big impact. So here's your gentle challenge this week. Choose one area of your daily routine, whether it's your laundry detergent, your morning drink, or your air freshener, and swap it for a cleaner, toxin-free alternative. Bonus points if you use an essential oil to do it. So comment below and let me know what you're swapping out this week. I'd love to cheer you on and offer some helpful ideas. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps to build my channel. And don't forget to grab my free download on toxin-free swaps. It's packed with easy, budget-friendly ways to clean up your home and body care routine. The link is in the description below. So let's start August strong together. Until next time, stay well and live your best life inside and out.